Fuutou. Fuutou is mean envelope. So when we talk about the thing in post office, we should have envelope or Fuutou, because when you want to send, you have to put your letter to the envelope. So if I want to say I put the letter to the envelope, so you can say 私は封筒に手紙を入れます。私は封筒に手紙を入れます。which means I put the letter into the envelope. Or you can say 田中さんは封筒にはがきを入れます。which means 田中さん puts the postcard into the envelope. Or when you want to open the envelope, you can say 私は封筒を開けます。開けます which means open. So which means I open the envelope. 鈴木さんは封筒を開けました。which means 鈴木さん open the envelope. Or you can say 封筒から手紙を取りました。封筒から手紙を取りました。which means I took the letter from the envelope. Or you can say 田中さんは封筒からはがきを取りました。which means 田中さん took a postcard from the envelope. So when you say about the Fuutou or about the envelope, you can create many sentences like this. Or you can say I go to buy an envelope. You can say 封筒を買いに行きます。すみません、封筒を買いに行ってもらえませんか？すみません、封筒を買いに行ってもらえませんか？ which means sorry, could you go to buy an envelope for me? Something like this. If you want to ask another person to buy